Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be going over and reviewing a company called Quilt 101. I found them on Instagram a while ago and I've ordered a couple of their kits online and I love them. And I thought that they were a great option for a beginner quilter, mainly because they already come pre-cut and the patterns are simple, so you're not going to feel overwhelmed, which I think is really important when you're trying to learn something new. They also have a great YouTube videos explaining things, and their binding tutorial hands down has been the best tutorial that I've seen. Because I've watched a lot of these binding tutorials and theirs is like the easiest to follow, and I've gotten the best results following their methods. So I wanted to share that with you guys. So in this video I will go over the website, the ordering process, the unboxing, and then I will show you my finished quilt and give you some more information at the end. So if this interests you, then keep on watching. All right, so let's go ahead to their site, which is quilt101.com. When you get there, this is their homepage. I love this, never cut fabric again. So from here you can go to like the baby quilt kits, the lap quilt kits, or their digital patterns. They have some pictures from their Instagram, and then down here, you know, all their contact information. So I'm gonna go to their pre-cut quilt kits. So it looks like they come with baby quilts, lap quilts, and twin plus. So I'm not sure what that is, so I'm gonna click that real quick. Okay, so maybe they have in the future bigger sizes. That could be why it says twin plus, but they don't have any available right now. And they also have bag kits. Ooh, seasonal quilt kits. Okay. Oh, there's Luna. You guys remember I told you about her? This dog is just so, look at this face, right? I love her. You guys need to follow them on Instagram. One, because they're awesome, but two, because this dog, I just can't get enough of her. So this looks like a Halloween kits that they have right now. Okay, so let me go back. Stop being distracted by dogs. All right, so this is what they have available right now for kits for babies. So they have the meet in the middle, the ombre, twisted 9, Aztec. So as you can see, a bunch of these are pretty beginner friendly, right? So meet in the middle, very simple. The striped ombre baby quilt kit, right? That's all it is. It's just a bunch of colored stripes. The twisted 9 looks like some just patchwork with squares. Not really difficult. The Aztec, the Diamondback, and the Churn Dash look a little bit more advanced, but nothing that I don't think a beginner couldn't handle. The layered brick, that's basically just patchwork, and the gingham is pretty much patchwork as well. So if you are a beginner, I wouldn't, you know, not do the Aztec or these other two, because they honestly, they look pretty simple. The Aztec looks like you're just making some half square triangles and then piecing everything together. So okay, let's see. I'm gonna do the baby, the gingham one. I've actually made 3 of these. So I've made the pink one already, I've made a navy blue one, and I've made a purple one. But I have not made this turquoise one, so I'm going to go ahead and click that one. So what you get in this quilt kit, so I'll show you what the finished quilt size is, and then I'll also tell you what the kit includes. So you're going to get fabric for the quilt top, the coordinating binding strips, the coordinating backing, and a pattern booklet, which is nice. And then they also did a tutorial on YouTube. So if this is your first quilt, this page right here literally is a one-stop shop. You're going to get everything you need to make it, minus the batting, and then you'll get a tutorial and the pattern. So I think you get a lot for your money with this. So I'm going to go ahead and add to cart. It looks like you get 3 different options to pay, Shop Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal. But before I go there, I want to show you guys a little bit more around their website. So they do have some notions available. Looks like they have some thread, pins, best press. Okay, that's not my favorite. But, you know, people swear by it. They love it. So if you're curious about best press, I say maybe try a smaller bottle and see what you think. Oh, Wonder Clips. Wonder Clips are fantastic. They got some labels, a couple of label options. A cutting mat. It's only an 8 by 8 inch, so that's actually kind of small. What else? These gel pens, rotary cutters, and needles. Okay, so they have like a nice little kind of basic selection, but I think that's what this site is all about. This company is just giving you what you need, you know, no more, no less, no muss, no fuss. Okay, so their patterns, these all come digital. Unless you buy the kit, then you'll get a paper copy. So yeah, just a couple of different options. A lot of beginner-friendly ones. Even this Mario one doesn't even really look too hard. You just have to kind of stay organized. I think that may be the most difficult part of this. I can click it. This one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and check out real quick. Okay, what is going on? Is this my internet? Okay, there we go. Yeah, my internet was just being silly. All right. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and stop sharing my screen for now so I can input all my PayPal information, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm done. Just to show you guys real quick, the shipping was only $5. That's amazing. Okay, so today is Friday, September 26th. We will see how long this takes, or I'm sorry, today is Saturday, September 26th. So they may not be working on the weekend, which I hope they're not. So we'll see how long it'll take to get my kit in the mail starting Monday. So, all right, and then I will see you guys over in the next clip for the unboxing. Okay, everyone. So I got my I got my package in the mail from Quilt 101. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it so you guys can see. Warren has to inspect it first. He inspects everything that comes in this house. Is it safe? Yeah? Okay. Can I open this? Morton. Careful. Okay. So, okay, well. Okay. So it looks like we get one big little package, and yeah. All right. So it comes in this nice little plastic sleeve, which is nice. You get a paper copy of the pattern. Don't mind Morton, he's just over there licking the envelope like a weirdo. So yeah, you get a really nice paper copy of the pattern. This is actually really nice paper. Alright, so all the instructions, you know, they're in color. It looks pretty simple to read. You have your diagram and your instructions. So, yep, really nice pattern. And then Looks like everything is labeled, which is perfect. So you have a nice little bundle of squares. You have fabric A, fabric B, as well as fabric C. So it's nice. Excuse me, senor. Okay. So it's nice and labeled. No, look, this is my fabric. He loves fabric, you guys. He's obsessed. Okay, then you also have your, you also have your binding. So it looks like you're actually gonna have to sew this together and make your like continuous binding, which is totally fine because I mean they saved me so much time by already cutting all this up. So yeah, and I have a little bias tape maker thing, so this will be really simple to make. And then you didn't get to see what the backing was, but it was a coordinated backing, so this is what they sent me, and it's labeled. So for the backing, it looks like it's just like one continuous piece of yardage. So if you have ordered a bigger quilt, like a lap size or a twin size, there is a chance that you'll have to cut it in half and seam it yourself. But like I said, that's not a really big deal because they've already saved you so much time by pre-cutting all these squares. So yeah, that's what the package looks like when you first get it. I'm going to go ahead and sew up the quilt top using all these squares and I'll show you guys the finished product. Okay. Alright, and so here's the finished quilt. I was able to make the topper in about, I want to say probably 3 hours, if that. Really simple, quick, and easy. And I already went ahead and sent this off to be long arm quilted, and I reviewed the process for that, so that'll be my next video. So a couple of things. When I was showing you guys the ordering process, I mentioned that you could probably reach out to them to ask for like, if you had certain requirements. So if you wanted like a patterned backing but a solid binding, I said you could probably reach out to them and request that. But I did reach out to Wendy on Instagram just to clarify that because I didn't want to give you guys wrong information, and she said that currently at this time they're not doing any customizations to their quilt kits, and that is because all of the kits have already been cut and packaged, and they did that way they can ship them to you guys within like 24 hours of you purchasing them. So my apologies for that, but I just wanted to follow up with you all. Okay, second thing is they do a sale every Friday. They call them Flash Friday deals, and you can find the information for those deals on their Instagram page. So today I went over there and watched their stories, and they are doing their Minky kits. So they have 4 color options for these kits. And the blankets come with a Minky topper and then a double gauze for the backing, and you also get the pattern to go with it, and it's pre-packaged like these are. They're 52 by 72 inches, and they're 10% off for today only. So if you guys are interested in that, I will leave a link in the description box so you can head over to their website and check it out. And then the last thing I wanted to share with you guys is I reached out to the team over there on Instagram, and I told them that I was making a video reviewing their kits because I really love what they do, and I think it's great, a great resource for beginners who don't want to be overwhelmed making their first quilt. So I reached out to them and told them I was going to make a video, and they very kindly sent me a quilt kit, the same one that I purchased, and it's also a baby size. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway over on my Instagram. So if you guys are interested in winning this kit, I will go ahead and put my information down here, and then I'll put it in the description box below, and it'll also be on my end card as well.
So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I hope you found this video informational and that you enjoyed it. If you like these kind of videos, can you please let me know? And because I was thinking about doing review videos like this a few times a year. So if this is something that you really like watching and that you find helpful, definitely leave me some feedback. And then let me know if there's any like companies or kits that you would like me to review. I was thinking of doing the Guthrie and Ghani kits if I can get my hands on them, because because of the time difference, they're usually sold out before I can get on there. But that's on my list of things that I want to try. But if there's any specific ones out there, please let me know. And subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll be seeing you in my next video where I go over the company that did the long arm quilting for this quilt. So, alright, thanks guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.